Hey, this is Jessica from goodenoughandstuff.com. Let's make some fish tacos. Start by peeling and chopping a cucumber. You can also feed some to any little waifs that might be begging for some in the kitchen. My sweet daughter Anna was nice enough to hold the camera for me so that I could film it and make dinner at the same time and not have to set everything up. Our guinea pig also enjoys this recipe because he gets all the peels. Chop a tomato up also. Add that to the bowl with the cucumbers, then add 1 can of corn, 1 can of light red kidney beans, and 1 cup of shredded cheese. For the sauce, mix 1 cup of sour cream with 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Next, grab a jar of mild banana peppers. You can see that there's a lot of juice in there. That's called the brine. We want about 2 tablespoons of that. Dump in 1 teaspoon of dried cilantro and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I made a double batch here because it's so good on so many things. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees, then get a pan ready with foil and cooking spray. Take your fish fillets out of the freezer, totally frozen still, and put them on the pan. Now spray those with the cooking oil too. I know it feels kind of unnatural to use the spray for it, but it's just oil. Sprinkle with the seasoning that you like. You can just use like taco seasoning from the packet or even just salt and pepper. I will leave a link below to the spice blend that I'm using. Bake at 425 until the thickest part of the fillet is white all the way through. This takes about 15 to 18 minutes. While that's baking, we can cook the tortillas. Place a bowl upside down on a plate. This will give the tortillas something to rest on so that they can drip off excess oil. Heat up about 1 inch of vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, cook the tortillas for just a few seconds per side. You're just looking to make them a little bit firmer. You're not waiting for them to get brown because then they'll be really hard and crunchy. Which I guess maybe you like that, but then they'll be hard to fold around the filling. I'm showing you in real time that it really just takes a few seconds, and you can use a couple of forks to flip it over if you don't have tongs, and you can use one of the forks to kind of hold the middle down as it balloons up. Don't mind the messy stove, it just looks like this all the time. Then put everything together and you got yourself some delicious fish tacos for dinner. Make sure to put on plenty of sauce, and don't forget to squeeze on some lime juice at the end. It really kicks it up a notch. Hey, thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it. And I hope you try the fish tacos. They're really good. And they're not really that hard to make either. And actually don't take that long. So lots of good things going for it. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below if you've ever tried fish tacos. Head over to my blog, goodenoughandstuff.com, for the printable recipe and more instructions. And I will see you next time. Bye! I must try to figure it out.